Welcome to VIH Q&A session where I'm going to answer all your questions which is related to cybersecurity or even in the tech industry, right? So let's get started with our questions. So there should be an independent global organization that audit and certifies open source cybersecurity tools. See, open source platform is like it works on contribution. So if any company wants to do, they need an investment. And for open source, basically people get very less entertained, right? So very less peoples are there, those who wants to fund from money actually to the people, those who are running some open source. So for sure, for this kind of stuff, the question that you asked, like independent global organization to audit and certify open source cybersecurity tools before they are trusted by the cybersecurity professionals. For sure, it required a lot of funding for building such tools, right? And no one is going to fund some open source stuff, right? There might be some paid product, or there might be some paid product which might be already existing in the market, which might be doing all those things. Like yeah, there is a lot of product which do source code review. Okay, and there's a product from Tapi Technoserves as well, which is called Trisul. It do source code auditing, so that is also what you can use. And by the way, the things are like there's a lot of things in the market, but most of the things are paid, right? You can't expect that from open source community, right? And Trisul is like one of the I practically used, right? So that is going to help you out.